solemnly place myself before God
I solemnly place myself before God
and in the presence of this assembly
and in the presence of this assembly
to pass my life in purity
to pass my life in purity
and to practice my profession faithfully.
and to practice my profession faithfully.
I will abstain from
I will abstain from
whatever is deleterious and mischievous
whatever is deleterious and mischievous
and will not take
and will not take
or knowingly administer
or knowingly administer
any harmful drug.
any harmful drug.
I will do all in my power
I will do all in my power
to maintain and elevate
to maintain and elevate
the standard of my profession
the standard of my profession
and will hold in confidence
and will hold in confidence
all personal matters
all personal matters
committed to my keeping
committed to my keeping
and all family affairs
and all family affairs
coming to my knowledge
coming to my knowledge
in the practice of my calling.
in the practice of my calling.
With loyalty,
With loyalty,
I will endeavor
I will endeavor
to aid the physician
to aid the physician
in his work
in his work
and devote myself
and devote myself
to the welfare of those
to the welfare of those
committed to my care.
committed to my care.
Ricardo